boyfriend needed money urgently. Achiti anedhiri raanoda kuita. Ndakatanga ndichiramba till he convinced me to take some money in the safe and he would bring it back, which he did. So this kept happening. Aindikwereta mari, ndotora musafe yekubasa, and ndotora musafe yekuchurch, and paidzosa daidzosera. It was a good arrangement for close to 3 months. So early last month, akakwereta 2,430. Then he disappeared. I went kumba kwa aigara, but aitoroja ikoko, so hapana anoziva about his whereabouts. I don't know what to do. I don't know if I should tell the church. Ndikaudza church vanondiregerera here, havandisungise. Can I even negotiate to give them bit by bit? But that might not work because I only earn $200 per month. Please help Vedare, Doita say.
Yeah. You know, some of these things you actually realize it's I think I can't find an appropriate word to say, but dumb after you are out of it. And in your right sense, you'd never do that. And I know people are going to say, stupidity is no limits. But trust me, I'm not going to go ground.
Yes.
Yeah, so now that it has happened, guys, let's not talk about why it shouldn't have happened. Let's talk about why, now that it has happened, oita say, arugoti iendo tambira $200 pamwedzi. Akakweretesa mukomana, anzembo mkweretesa chitodzosa, nditi?
Yes.
And then ababazongo mkweretesa $2,430. That's a lot of money, Sakile. Even to expect the church, even fungoti vanonobhadhara would they approach that kindly?
Mm-hmm.
So it's really messed up. But also to think kuti anotambira $200 kuzona yakwana iye opa 200 anda kurarama anda utasei.
Of course.
How would the church react? Yeah.
Ish. And you know what? I know there are a lot of people like the church should, forgive and show that they are living according to what they preach. Because yeah, I know Donna urkuta hakuna, but also when we get into those principles, because if I am to go to the church, Donna, and I present my case, or someone did this, the first thing that they're going to tell me, what is it? Forgive that person.
But in this case, worst case scenario is jail. And I think she knows it, and she wants to find out ways on how to avert that. Because, I'm getting messages like, mukomana katonorora baby rake ne mari yawo kupa. Vakutopaita pa town. Ne newfound love yake yoyo. So yeah, it's messed up. It's messed up.